To perfectly build your T4, I really recommend using the Bulkhead alignment tool from HUDY. It looks like this. This tool really helps to keep your bulkheads completely straight, which has several benefits, not only for the tweak of the suspension, but also for the freeness of the drivetrain, which is extra important in stock classes. So now I will show you how I use this to build a car. So to use this tool is really simple. We have the car here. Naked, so to speak, just the chassis and the bulkheads. The bulkheads have not been tightened yet, so we simply put the bulkhead alignment tool in between the bulkheads, and then we simply tighten the screws from the bottom. You don't have to tighten them like crazy, just enough for them to stay in there. And this tool will help bulkheads to center and to maintain a perfect gap in between, so they don't put any excess force onto the bearings of the solid axle and the diff. So we got the solid axle in there now. I got the optional aluminium bearing holders here, which actually they free up the transmission a little bit. So as you can see now, we have a perfect gap between the bulkheads because we have a bit of play here, sideways play, which is important for the transmission not to bind up during cornering, and for the spool to always spin free. So it's important to have sideways play here, which we can set perfectly with the bulkhead alignment tool. We'll do the same in the rear. Put a tool in here. And carefully tighten screws. So it should be a little bit tight in here, but you should be able to take it out with your fingers. You shouldn't be stuck in there when you're done. This means we have a perfect gap. If for some reason you don't have play between the two bearings, then what you can do is when you tighten it down, push the bulkheads apart a little bit. When you tighten the screws down, you pull them apart to sort of create this gap that we need to have the sideways play. But most of the time this will be perfect. You don't have to push them in any direction. You simply tighten the screws when the tool is sitting in there. As you can see now, the play is again perfect and the diff is spinning freely. So we do this for two reasons. We do this to have the bulkheads completely centered, to have the perfect sideways play, but also for the bulkheads to line up perfectly for the top deck. Because sometimes you'll have the problem that you put a top deck on and the holes don't line up, and this is usually because of misaligned bulkheads. Just gonna put the screws in here. So since all the holes lined up, we can see that there's now no unnecessary tension on the top deck, and this will make it a lot easier to tweak the car straight, and also that it won't affect the transmission negatively. So the tool is used for two reasons: for the perfect lay between the bearings and to align the top deck between the bulkheads. Very, very important, both for stock and modified racing, but especially noticeable in the stock class where a free transmission is key to top performance.